Happy Friday. Oh, tummy scratches, they're so cute. Aw, tickle Tommy. Oh, you're a sweet girl, Dolly. Having a little preening time. Scratch your tum. Is that good? Did I catch you a bath tum? Oh, okay. Well, you can show the good people how you like to preen yourself and clean yourself. You're very clean. Like I've told you guys, her tongue is very rough on top. It feels really weird actually. Yeah, so when she's giving herself a clean, that's all birdies do. Oh, of course, as you've seen, she loves the water as well. Jumping in the water, jumping in your water bowl. Give you a bird bath, but no, you want to jump in your water bowl. Oh, look, pretty girl now. Oh, look, it's all fluffy and pretty. You've got your winter coat, or your winter feathers, I should say. It's such a pretty girl. Look at that. Oh, I hope you can hear the birds outside, guys. Oh, under there as well. Is that good, Dolly? Good preening. Well, we don't have to have Dolly talk. You can see this is how a bird washes themselves up close and personal. Does that feel nice and good, Dolly? Scratches? Scratches and cleaning. So it's like she nibbles and like uses her tongue over and sort of just cleans herself. Look at those beautiful wings. Yeah, she does it. She goes a long ways. Oh, that's lovely to see. The good people love to see that, Dolly. Cleaning your wings? Yeah. Look at that. How cute. Oh, he's such a clean girl. Good girl. Is that for nice? She's nice and fluffed up now. And keep you nice and warm. Oh, it's at the other side now. Okay. Yes, so sweet, Dolly. I'll come back in a minute when you want to have a chat, okay? Does she feel like one now? No. She's in the mode. She's in cleaning mode. Yeah, I heard that birdie too, Dolly. She might do her aerobics where she stretches her legs out because she does that too while she's preening herself. A big stretch, don't you, Dolly? And sometimes you do some dancing. Yes, sweetie. Look at those beautiful feathers. Aren't they gorgeous?